How to detach an iMovie audio when working iMovie. You basically need to split the video, and we are now in 2023, and I hope you find this very useful if you're working on your video right now. Let's jump in. Awesome. As you can see, I'm now in my iMovie application on my Mac desktop, and I've just been making a video. And what you will need to do if you are not wanting the audio on one of your files, your video files, let's say it's this particular section, if I was just to press play, unfortunately you're not going to end up. That is obviously me talking away. So what you would do is go over to the video and you just select here, detach audio, and then it would actually, duplicate the actual file into two. This is the video version. This is obviously the audio, and I would, same again with my two fingers, click on my pad on my Mac, and then you would delete. And if I was to press play again, okay, I hope you found it over the actual video in question, then there, I have no audio. And then obviously you can go back if you actually want the audio back on. So I've just gone back a couple of times on my Mac, and then business in the early stage, I am back on. Fantastic. I hope you found that useful. If you are an online spiritual coach, healer, practitioner or therapist, and you would like to be included in the monthly Soul Central directory, it goes out to over 10,000 plus manifestors, soul searchers and seekers, and high achievers. If you feel that's the right audience for you, then feel free to like this video, subscribe, and also comment below Soul Central directory. I'll send you over the information, and I will be looking forward to pushing your business forward for free in the next edition. I will see you all very soon.